What'd she do?
She's got Vaseline all over. Hey, turn around. Look at the glob on the back of her ear. Turn around.
Why?
Why did you do that? It's all over her. Like you can hear her going.
Oh, Savannah, it's all in your bed.
Is it really? Oh my gosh. Savannah. Is this your deep moisturizing treatment for the week?
I don't want to touch.
That was cool. Oh my gosh. Savannah Lee.
It's all in here too.
Is it really?
Savannah. Why? Wait, let me hear your hands. Let me hear your hands. Hey, come here. Don't go outside. Come here.